Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to play the G major chord. So it's like this: your first finger on the second fret, fifth string, middle finger, first string, third fret, your third finger, first string, third fret. There is another way you can play this chord with an additional note, and that is it will go like same this: your index finger on second fret, fifth string, your middle finger on sixth string, and your ring finger third fret, first string, and your ring finger on third fret, second string, like this. And this is how you are going to strum it. It is way more beautiful than that, isn't it?